My name is Leila. We're at Chisira Beach in Mogadishu, Somalia. Absolutely beautiful, as you can see. This is a saltwater beach behind us, which is coming from the ocean, which is just beyond the trees in the background. And if you look very, very far here, you can see some Somali camels and some Somali flamingos. Beautiful, Jamila. Beautiful weather.
Much to Somali safari tours for being here. It's such an amazing scenic spot. It feels like a travel back into history. It feels like a movie. Honestly, it's unreal. It's my second time actually coming here because one time was not enough. So come visit and enjoy the beauty as well. The beach is absolutely beautiful. This is not even only the first beach we visited. We visited Lido Beach as well. Stunning, and it was really nice to see the local life, the people hanging out, enjoying their swim, their seafood in the restaurants. Beautiful place.
Beautiful place. Oh.
During my travels, I learned to live without, perceptions. So I always wanted to visit Somalia with an open heart and mind. So I'm really thankful I could do that, and I encourage everyone else to do the same, because you will never ever get to know a place unless you visit it in person. So of course I do have friends who have been asking me, is it safe? Oh my God, what are you going to do there? But when I return, I will showcase, the beauty of this trip to everyone. They get to visit it at some point as well.
Great.
Of course, I would recommend it 100%. Even just Mogadishu has a lot to offer and see. It's a great time. So I'm looking forward to exploring more of the country as well at some point in the future.
Welcome to Somali Seafood.
Good afternoon. So my name is Natalia. I am from Russia, and our Russian group, we are 10 people. We arrived just today, and by now we spent several hours here. It's not a long time, but what we could see, we really like the country very much, because we saw very beautiful beaches, and we understand that nature here is really beautiful. Beaches are fantastic, it's warm water and so on. Very friendly people, because we spoke with local people on the beach and we talked with them, and they're really very, very nice. We like them. And I understand that the country really has some problems after 25 years of civil war, but I hope, and we can see that it's getting better and better, and I hope that very soon the situation here will be perfect, and tourists from Russia and from all over the world will come here to see this country, because it has long history, and it's many things to see here and to meet local people and so on. I hope the country will have very good future.
How is in Ale?
Very, very perfect, very interesting place. I think maybe next my trip and take one more day this place.
Okay.
Lisa, I am here in Mogadishu, and I'm really enjoying wonderful place for destinations, and people are so friendly and nice, and I'm happy to be here.
Thank you. Okay.
This is the best part of my trip. I'm rich, I'm a millionaire. Look at this, look at all this money I have. I'm very wealthy here in Somalia. I love it. I want to stay so I can live a good life here.
All right. Thank you.
So we just finished a 3-day tour of Mogadishu. We've seen a lot of the city. It's getting better, and the team and the security team are amazing. The beach is incredible. There's a lot to see by way of. This is very interesting to see. We went to the fish market, saw the lighthouse, and Jazeera Beach, Kamal, and it's a different tourist destination, but it's a place to come. It will help that people should see, because it's a diamond in the rough. It's a paradise. It has potential to become paradise. The food is brilliant, by the way. The fish is really tasty. It was very good food, and we also went to a national park here. The coffee is really good. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you, Somali Safari, for bringing us here to the lighthouse on the Indian Ocean. It's very beautiful. Very nice.
Very nice. 1, 2, 3. One. Ty, w tym tu jest. Kurde. Zdjęcie, dobra. Raz, dwa, trzy. Raz, dwa. I tak jeszcze. Dobra, next one. Okay.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. Okay, and